Ngesikhathi ekhuluma nabezindaba, ungqongqoshe wezogesi uthe kuzo zonke iziphehli sezihambele akukho nokukodwa okukhombisa izenzo zenkohlakalo. Kanti-ke uqinisekise nokuthi iNingizimu Afrika angeke izithole sesigabeni sesithupha sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi njengoba kuza ubusika.
But I want to give the South African public the assurance that, like I said before, I don't foresee us moving to higher stages of load shedding. When I say higher, I mean we've been the highest we've been going to stage 6.
Ungqongqoshe uthe ukuze iphelele inkinga kagesi kumele kuqale kuthuthukiswe iziphehli zikagesi ezisebenzisa amalahle eMpumalanga.
To avoid that situation is to improve the performance of the 14 power stations, the 3 coal-fired power stations, and also iKoeberg. I did say just now that iKoeberg is delayed. The 920 megawatts will not meet the target of 23rd of July because management on their own account, there were things that were unforeseen, and as a result is not able to come back on stream.
Udokotela Ramakgopa unxuse kakhulu abantu bakulelizwe ukuba bengasebenzisi ugesi ngendlela engafanele njengoba eqinisekisile ukuthi umthamo wamandla kagesi uyenyuka nokwenza izwe libe sezigabeni eziphansi zohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.